Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Kwababa from the 3rd to the 7th of August 2026 on Monday. Zwelakhe finally confront his deceiver. Mhlaba chooses his family and puts Dumisani in his place. Thailand comes to Naturena on Tuesday. A mother's devastating secret rips through the family, forcing one man to question everything he thought he knew about himself. An aging patriarch stubbornly clings to what she or he believes, and a rebellious daughter leaves her terrified parents scrambling for answers on Wednesday. Mxolisi makes a huge mistake. Mhlaba surprises Zwelakhe with a generous offer, and Solomon won't stop worrying about Chulo on Thursday. As Zwelakhe's devastating paternity secret begins tearing through the Mkhize family, Dumisani uncovers Zwe and Mhlaba's new business deal. The Mutaung try to survive Chulufelo's rebellion and focuses on the upcoming Lobola celebration on Friday. Makhumalo lets something slip, exposing a long-buried secret. Distressed, Mambogazi leaves for KZN, and Mhlaba stand up to Dumisani. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.